Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can download Finch application in your device. So the first easy way is simply launching your Play Store or your App Store. Then at the top search bar, you have to type in Finch. As you do that, you will see this mascot. That means this is the Finch application of self-care pet that you should download. Then you will see install here, tap on install, and wait for this to get downloaded in your device. Another way is launching your Chrome or any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in download Finch self-care app. Then it will also direct you to this Google Play. You have to tap on install. Now let's go ahead and open up our Play Store and wait for this application. And now as you can see that this is already being downloaded in my device. Once it's done on your device, tap open. And now just like so, you can go ahead and use this app. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.